Children's Eye Health and Safety Month ngayong Agosto sa Canada. Alamin kung bakit mahalaga ang mga check-up para sa mga bata, lalo't nalalapit na ang pagbabalik eskwela.
World Health Organization recommends at least 1 hour of outdoor play to reduce the incidence of nearsightedness in children.
Napansin ni Doktora Marina Roma March, isang optometrist sa Vancouver, ang dumadaming mga kabataang nagkakaroon ng issue sa paningin na posibleng dulot ng mahabang screen time sa murang edad.
Seeing more children with dry eye issues than I did 30 years ago when I first started, and with eye strain. Too much screen time can cause your vision to change sooner rather than later.
Children's Eye Health and Safety Month sa Canada ngayon buwan at inirekomenda ng Canadian Association of Optometrists na simulan ang eye exams para sa mga sanggol bago pa ito mag-siyam na buwan. Sundan muli bago mag-5 taon gulang ang bata, saka gawing taunan ang pagpapatingin sa optometrist.
It's absolutely critical in development. People or children who don't get their eyes checked until later on can develop a condition called lazy eye, and that condition can be caught early and treated early so that children as adults have perfect vision.
Ilan sa mga senyales na dapat nang bumisita sa doktor at magpa-eye exam bago ang pagbalik eskwela.
In addition to squinting would be rubbing their eyes, seeing rainbows over objects that they're reading or notebooks that they're coloring, looking through the side, and just maybe tearing of the eyes or avoiding trying to read.
Payo ng doktor sa mga magulang para sa mga anak na takot bumisita sa eye clinic.
Say you're just going to play some games, which is what I do. I right away just say, oh, we're just going to play some games. Can you see those pictures or can you see those letters? So make it more of a fun environment and it distracts them from their anxiety.
At huwag daw kalimutan ang mga masusustansyang pagkain na makakabuti para sa kalasugan ng mata.
Definitely vitamin A helps with night vision, so you can get that from carrots and spinach. Vitamin C helps to protect the eyes. You can get that from oranges and strawberries. Vitamin E helps to support the retina, which is the structure in the back of the eye. You can get that from almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and of course lots of fish for omega-3s that helps to keep the moisture within the eyes. So it's quite a colorful plate. If you have that on your plate, you're good.